Welcome to the Leaders Insights podcast. Today's episode, the modern ELT stack explained, DBT, ingestion, and orchestration working together. Everyone talks about ELT like it's obvious, but half the executives I know can't tell me what the letters even mean. So start there.
ELT is extract, load, transform. You pull data from your sources, dump it into the warehouse first, and clean it up afterwards. The old way, ETL, transformed the data before loading it. You scrubbed it in transit.
Why does the order of two letters matter enough to build an industry around it?
Because storage got absurdly cheap, and warehouses got absurdly fast. Snowflake, BigQuery, Databricks. These engines can crunch transformations at a scale that made the old approach look like doing your taxes with an abacus.
So you load everything raw, mess and all, and sort it out later.
Exactly. You keep the raw data forever. If your business logic changes, say marketing redefines what counts as an active user, you just rerun the transformation. You don't have to re-extract anything. That's the whole trick.
Fine. You mentioned 3 layers earlier. Walk me through them one at a time.
Layer 1 is ingestion, getting the data in. Tools like Fivetran or Airbyte connect to your Salesforce, your Stripe, your Postgres database, and copy that data into the warehouse on a schedule.
And these just work? You point them at a source and walk away?
Mostly, until a source changes its structure and the connector quietly breaks. Fivetran's own materials say they handle schema changes automatically, schema being the shape of the data, the columns and types. In practice, you still get surprises, but it's a solved-ish problem.
Layer 2.
Transformation. This is DBT, Data Build Tool. And it's the star of the modern stack. DBT lets analysts write transformations in SQL, the standard query language, but treats that SQL like real software.
Meaning what, concretely?
Meaning version control, testing, documentation. Before DBT, transformation logic lived in some analyst's head or a spreadsheet named final_v3_real.xlsx. DBT puts it in one place where everyone can see it, test it, and trust it.
That final_v3 file exists in every company on Earth.
And it's usually the one running payroll. DBT kills that pattern. You define a model once, say revenue by region, and it becomes the single definition everyone inherits.
3rd layer.
Orchestration, the conductor. Something has to decide the order. Ingest first, then transform, then refresh the dashboards. Tools like Airflow or Dagster do that. They run the steps in sequence and scream when one fails.
Why can't the other tools just do this themselves?
Because they don't know about each other. Fivetran doesn't know DBT exists. DBT doesn't know your dashboard needs refreshing. The orchestrator is the only thing holding the whole chain of dependencies in its head.
So where do leaders actually get burned? Give me the real trade-off, not the brochure.
The trade-off is cost versus control. Fivetran charges by rows of data changed to receive or more monthly active rows, load a high-traffic source, and the bill balloons. I've seen teams go from 4,000 a month to 40,000 because one table updated constantly.
So the cheap storage promise has a catch.
Storage is cheap. Movement and compute aren't. And because ELT loads everything, you're now paying to transform data nobody asked for. The discipline you skipped at ingestion, you pay for at the warehouse.
That sounds like the whole model quietly undermines itself.
It rewards laziness and then invoices you for it. The fix is boring. Only load what you'll use and set spending alerts. Most teams discover their bill the way you discover a leak. When the ceiling caves in.
If an exec remembers one thing from this, what is it?
Ask your data team a single question. When our definition of a key metric changes, how long until every dashboard reflects it? If the answer is days, your stack is broken. If it's minutes, you built the 3 layers right. And you can prove your money went somewhere real.
Minutes, not days. That's the test.
That's the test.
That's a wrap. Fresh CDO briefings drop daily at mba-training.com.